डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में ये दिया हुआ है, हम लोग को आगे बढ़ना है. सो एफ ऑफ एक्स कॉमा थीटा इज थीटा इंटू 2 to the power थीटा इंटू एक्स टू दी इंटू e to the power x to the power minus of theta plus 1. Okay, so now we can solve the rest of it like this. Now in this case, f of x of theta, so if we just go for fx here, theta n theta pi, this is x greater than 2 and theta greater than 1. Okay, so this is now mx, this is n 1, this is n theta, n1 n theta, n theta 1 n 2 minus theta plus 1 summation of n xi. Okay, and dd theta of x is n by theta and n square. This thing. So 1 by theta, so Cramer-Rao lower bound will be n, that is 1 by 6. Six values, so 1 by n, 1 by 6.